Hello everyone and welcome to Fun English. This is the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and useful for your everyday life. Practice speaking, listening, and learning new words step by step. In our lessons, you will discover simple phrases, interesting dialogues, and fun examples that will help you speak English with confidence. So, if you are ready to improve your English, don't forget to subscribe, join our lessons, and practice with us every day.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Anna.
Hi, Anna. Nice to meet you too. I'm Alexey.
Great. This is our first conversation.
Yes, and it's wonderful to be here and talk with you.
So, Alexey, tell me about your morning routine.
I usually wake up around 6:30, then I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth.
I wake up a little later, around 7 o'clock. After that, I get out of bed and go to the kitchen.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have coffee and toast, sometimes fruit. What about you?
I often drink tea and have cereal. It gives me energy for the day.
What do you usually do at work?
I usually sit at my desk, work on my computer, answer emails, and write reports.
I do similar things. Sometimes I also have meetings with my colleagues.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. It can be busy, but I like learning new things. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and sometimes going for long walks.
That sounds nice. I like to watch movies and cook new recipes at home.
Oh, cooking is a great hobby. What is your favorite dish to cook?
I love cooking pasta with vegetables and herbs.
Delicious. I like making simple soups.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. Traveling is one of my favorite activities. I enjoy discovering new cultures.
Me too. I once visited Italy, and it was amazing.
Italy is beautiful. I want to go there someday too.
What kind of music do you like?
I listen to different genres, but I really enjoy relaxing music in the evening.
I like pop music, especially songs with positive energy.
That's great. Music really helps us relax after a busy day.
What are your dreams for the future?
I would like to travel more, learn new languages, and maybe write a book.
Wow, that's inspiring. I dream of teaching English to more people and helping them feel confident.
That's a wonderful goal, Anna. I'm sure you will succeed.
Thank you, Alexey. With practice and fun, everything is possible. By the way, Alexey, what's the weather like in your city today?
It's sunny but a little windy. I really like this kind of weather.
That's nice. In my city, it's cloudy and cool.
Do you like warm weather or cold weather more?
I prefer warm weather, especially spring and summer. I enjoy going outside.
Me too. Winter is sometimes too cold, but snow is beautiful.
Do you usually go shopping by yourself?
Yes, I often go to the supermarket once or twice a week.
What do you usually buy?
I buy bread, milk, eggs, some fruit and vegetables. Sometimes I buy chocolate.
Oh, I love chocolate too. My favorite is dark chocolate.
I usually buy some coffee as well. I can't start my day without coffee.
That's funny, I'm more of a tea person. What is your favorite holiday?
I think my favorite is New Year. I like the lights, the decorations, and the family dinner.
That sounds wonderful. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love the music and the gifts.
Do you usually celebrate with your family?
Yes, always. We cook a special dinner and spend the evening together.
I think holidays are important because they bring people closer.
Do you do any sports, Alexey?
Yes, sometimes I go jogging in the park. It helps me stay healthy.
That's great. I like yoga. It makes me feel calm and strong.
Do you go to a gym or practice at home?
I usually practice at home with online videos.
That's a good idea. I should try that too.
Do you use social media a lot?
Not too much. I sometimes use it to talk to my friends or check news.
I agree. Social media can be useful, but sometimes it takes too much time.
Yes, and I prefer reading books or listening to music instead.
Same here. Technology is good, but balance is important. Tell me about your family, Alexey.
I have a small family, my parents and one sister. We live in different cities, but we talk often.
That's nice. I also have a small family, just my parents.
Do you see them often?
Yes, I visit them on weekends when I can.
Family time is very important.
What did you study at university?
I studied business and management. And you?
I studied education because I want to be a teacher.
That's great. Teaching is a very important job.
Yes, I really enjoy helping people learn new things.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel, meet new people, and maybe write a book about learning languages.
That's wonderful. I would like to do more traveling too.
By the way, Alexey, do you like eating in restaurants?
Yes, sometimes. It's nice to try different food.
I agree. I like Italian restaurants. I usually order pasta or pizza.
That sounds tasty. I like Asian food, especially sushi and noodles.
Do you often go with friends or alone?
Usually with friends. We talk, eat, and have a good time.
Same here. It's always fun to share a meal. If you could visit any country next year, where would you go?
I would like to visit Japan. I want to see Tokyo and Kyoto.
Oh, Japan is amazing. I want to visit Spain. I love the language and the culture.
Do you like the sea?
Yes, very much. I dream of visiting the Mediterranean Sea.
That's beautiful. I also want to visit the mountains and go hiking.
Maybe one day we will both travel and share our stories.
Yes, that would be wonderful.
Wow, Alexey, today we talked about so many things.
Yes, Anna. We started with our daily routines, then about work, studies, food, and even travel.
It feels like we really got to know each other better.
I think so too. It's interesting how simple topics can become such a nice conversation.
And you know, it's a great way to practice English.
Exactly. Just talking step by step, learning new words, and enjoying the conversation.
I really enjoyed our time today.
Me too. Let's continue another day and talk about new topics.
Yes, maybe hobbies, sports, or even our favorite childhood memories.
That sounds great. For now, it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye, Alexey. Have a wonderful evening.
Goodbye, Anna. Talk to you soon.